Good morning. Welcome to Studio Museum in New York City. Today, we're going to show you Alluring Window most recent project where we motorized 62 shades across 5 floors at the museum. Let me show you around. So we created a seamless low-voltage control system tailored to one of the most iconic cultural spaces. By syncing high-performance something motors with a sleek Lutron keypads across 5 floors, Alluring Window integrated 62 motorized shades into a centralized data network. For a project at this scale, the challenge wasn't just the installation, it was bridging the communication between different systems. If you have a project that you need help with, or you just wanted to see the project specs, you're welcome to DM me or contact us and we'll be happy to share it with you. To transform your space today, contact us via email or social media. We're looking forward to hearing from you.